Alrighty, so the project for today is to take the mattress out of the rooftop tent. I'm going to put in some self-stick carpet tiles on the base right here of the tent to kind of act as a condensation mat, because one of the things that can happen in cold weather and even in warm weather, you'll have moisture develop on the sides and insides of the tent, mostly during cold climate because your body heats up and condensation gets on the inside, and then you have to wipe it down all the time, and then if you don't, you get mildew, and that's gross, and you pay money for an amazing tent like this. So you can buy a condensation mat from a reputable company. This is a quick, easy hack for like 120 bucks. And what it'll do is it'll insulate the bottom of the metal flooring of this tent and just mitigate some of that thermal temperature from the car or the bottom of the metal base into us, you know, the sleepers. So let's get cracking on it. Shouldn't take too much time. Pull out the air mattress, measure the sizing, measure the tiles, determine I might need 9 or so tiles for this. I'm going to set them in the middle, then I'm going to cut in size on the sides, and then we're going to mitigate around the hinge inside of there. So once they're down, don't really have to worry about it moving forward. Throw the memory foam mattress back in and call it a day.
All right, so let's jump right in. Down in the description below, I'll send you a link to this. These are 24-inch by 24-inch carpet tiles with a self-adhesive backing. Just strip this plastic off, put it down, slap it a couple times, and it'll stick nicely to the floor of the tent. All right, so as you can see, I've removed the memory foam mattress from the tent, and I've also taken a moment to kind of clean off the bottom of the tent so that I can get a good purchase on the adhesive from the tiles. Jumping right in, I grabbed a couple of tiles, and we're just gonna situate them right here in the center. Don't worry about having some space left over here on the side. We're gonna fill that in with some extra carpet. Additionally, right here, you're gonna have overlap on the hinge, so you're gonna have to trim this part of carpet so that it doesn't mess with the hinge at all. So I have most of the carpet laid at this point in the center. You can still see on the sides, I'm still waiting to cut those strips and finish off the job. Get the first 2 in the middle and then work your way all the way down, trimming as needed. All right, once you know where the squares are gonna go, simple task of just stripping off that plastic wrap and situating them down. The tack is not super sticky, so it allows for some movement, but once you get it in a good position and up against another piece of carpet, just make sure you rub it down, tap it, and really ensure that it doesn't go anywhere. So here are the 4 center tiles on this side of the tent installed. Now we're gonna get over here and put on these little side bits and call it a day. No need to show you those cuts. It's fairly easy. You have extra carpet left over, take a razor blade or these shears that I've been using. Get them nice and tight. And there you have it. 1 tile, 2 tile, 3 tile, 4 tile. And then you have the strips laid on each side. And then the same thing on the other end. 1 tile, 2 tile, 3 tile, 4 tile, and strips on the side. Easy, quick way to insulate your rooftop tent. Later.